Yo, what is going on, everybody? It is Tristan. Hopefully the lighting's alright in this video today. It might not be great. We got a little hurricane going on outside, so the weather's been kind of iffy today. But oh, and also anybody that ordered something off me, it's going out tomorrow. Just thought I would let y'all know. Just couldn't get it out today. But aside from that, what we're going to be getting into is a pair of SB Dunk Lows that has now loaded on sneakers. One pair that I just want to talk to you guys about. Pretty cool. I'm a fan of them. Definitely going to be towing the one I got right here, which we're going to be discussing again. The City of Cinema SB Dunk Low. Super clean. I'll give you all, a quick, in-hand glimpse again of these, all the materials, everything with them. So, yeah, that'll be what we'll get into in this video. Also discussing the resale prices, since those have gotten a lot more affordable. So if you want to go get a pair, not a bad time to get one now. Or maybe just check your local shopping a bit. You might be able to get one for retail pretty easily. So let's dive into it. If y'all want more content like this, feel free to subscribe and like down below. It's trying to 300 likes on this video. Just lets me know y'all want more videos like this, and I'll bring it to you guys. And again, feel free to comment your thoughts on this SB down below. Would love to hear it. And if you're going to be going for them. And also, don't forget to check us out down below at Resale Vision. You guys can see some of the deals we did last night, day before that. I mean, we're giving away a pair of Verdi SBs right now. So if any of that interests you, make sure you guys get in there down below. Don't miss out. We do that every single day. So see y'all in there. And you can hit me up on my IGs if any of y'all need any kicks. Just feel free to check my store. I got tons of stuff for sale. So let me know. And if anybody's selling the Verdis, also let me know. I know most of you guys are probably holding those up, which I can understand. But yeah, why don't we dive into these SBs right here. So as you guys can see, I got the screen recording up right now, and I just want to mainly discuss again the sneakers drop date first. So you guys can see sneakers drop date October 10th. So within the next week or two, I'd be checking your local shops, probably within the next week realistically. Like most shops usually post it a bit before the sneakers date. So I would just make sure you guys are ready, checking your local if this is a pair you're going to be needing for your collection. I'll show you guys some up close details on these as well. I mean, check it out, the cork material. I mean, the suede is super, super nice. Also got some unique Nike font. Definitely going to get maybe one or two of these in the big sizes, put them away for a while. Just when you get unique stuff like this, pay attention to it. That's definitely what I can say. So, pretty cool pair overall. You guys can see a tongue tag right there. Also, inside of the sneaker. Pretty well done. That's what I can say. So, pretty nice pair overall. I'll show you all some further shots a little bit later in the video. But I just kind of wanted to get into showing y'all the drop date and everything like that first, the resale. So we'll get into that. So you guys can see $125 retail on these. That's kind of nice, you know what I mean? They didn't make them $135, but they've been doing that only on like the collabs recently from what I've noticed. But just a regular GR pair. You guys can see again some of the photos they decided to go with. I mean, they pop just as much as they do in hand as they do in the photos. Just a really nice pair. I mean, the choice of not only like the colors they chose to go with, like they all match together really well, but just the suede material. I mean, it just stands out. Look at that. It's like almost like the brightest part of the shoe, you know what I mean? So yeah, that's I'm just feeling it, you know what I mean? This color scheme right here, yeah, that's focusing now. I mean, look at that, just too clean. So for me, with the brown soles too, I think that's a nice touch. Little navy center right there. I don't want my screen recording to end, so I'm gonna stop picking those up for a second. But yeah, as you guys can see, there's no kid sizes, anything like that, at least from what we can tell at the moment. But they usually don't do kid sizes for GR pairs. That would just I'd probably be a mess for them, so they avoid doing that. But yeah, that's what we got. October 10th, 10 a.m. Eastern time. We're gonna have a little draw. Just the main thing. First thing I wanted to discuss, get out the way so you guys know when sneakers will have these. But keep in mind, check your local skate shop. This is the main piece of advice I'm gonna say, because your local skate shop will probably post it a couple days before sneakers. So yeah, that's one thing I can say. Might still be flipping there. We'll have to see. But let's actually, speaking of flipping, let's dive into the resale on these right now. Discuss where the prices are at. So as you guys can see, I have now gotten to the screen recording right here. And here's our current price range. As you guys can see, it's not fully accurate. I mean, someone's selling a size 11 right there at $145. You know what I mean? That's not a bad deal at all. But after fees and all that, it's not the best price. But based off the range that we're currently seeing, this kind of reminds me of a lot of SB Dunk Lows that we have seen recently on the GR side. They've gotten very, very cheap towards that 100, 120 range, or even that 120, 140 range. Some have even gotten under that, but those are like, ones that have been mass produced. I don't think these would be mass produced, but, we have to see. They could make a lot of them. And this would be a good pair if they could make a lot of it. It's just very, very wearable. That's another thing I can mention. So, yeah, I'll be going out the way getting my couple, you know what I mean? For retail price, that'll be the goal. That obviously shouldn't be that hard. I mean, it's going to be a pretty available SB from what I know. And based off the resale prices we see right now, right? I mean, they've hit most skate shops, but they haven't, like, officially released. So the fact that they're already this cheap lets us know, hey, this will probably be no issue. Not hard at all to get at retail price. Just one of the main things I want to get out of the way. We'll definitely do some of these at retail and Resale Vision, a little bit before release. We'll try and get that going this week on the schedule, because actually I'm planning that schedule today, so I'll make sure to get these on there, maybe at retail, a little under retail, something like that. But that's aside from the point right there. Just again, current resale is between like 140 to 170 or 140 to 180. honestly wouldn't take that as being 100% accurate because it's just going to drop over the next 2 weeks and we're going to see a new range and new prices. And yeah, we'll go from there basically. But that is what I could say about the City of Cinemas. Pretty cool pair. I like the resale prices we're seeing right now because it's another great personal you can get for cheap. I mean, I'm not complaining. Could I see it being a more expensive SB Dunk Low down the line? Absolutely. I mean, look at what some of these GR SB Dunk Lows, for example, City of Loves in big sizes. Those like $200 now. I mean, people let these go if people let these go super cheap in those big sizes, I will gladly take advantage of it. Because I know long term, this will be the type of pair that people will be like, oh man, wow, this is a really nice GR SB Dunk Low. And, you know, I'm going to be like considered an old head by, you know, the new kids at that point, right? And I'll be like, yeah, I was buying them for retail back then. Nobody wanted them. And they'll be like, what? You know, that's how I was when I was like 14. I would talk with people that were like, you know, 20, 21 in the sneaker game. And they'd be like, yeah, I got those back in the day for like retail. Nobody wanted them. And I'd be like, what? Those are like $600 now. You know what I mean? That's how the game works. I'll eventually be at that point where I'll be like, yeah, you know, man, I was grabbing these and the Chameleon SBs. Yeah, I was grabbing those all for retail. No problem. And, you know, they'll be at like $300, $400 at that point or whatever it'll be several years down the line. And I'll be like, what? Where were you guys? But I'm obviously not going to, you know, blame someone that was like, you know, super young. What do you mean you weren't buying the Thunders when you were 6 years old? Stuff like that. I'm not going to criticize. But yeah, let me end that screen record. And that's really the resale range that we got right there on the sneaker at the moment. Again, it's going to be an easy one to cop at retail. That's just the main thing I want to get at. And a clean sneaker in hand here. Let me just show y'all a couple more in-hand shots. Again, feel free to check out the early review. That really dives more into how these look. I do some, you know, B-roll shots on them, but check that out. Cork material, everything on these. Laces too. I think we have some extra laces. I do not have those with me, but we might not. You know what I mean? It is a GR SB Dunk Low. Sometimes they do not have extra laces, and you guys can see there is the, you know, kind of unique insoles we have with these as well. You can see the Nike SB logo, and it's like a face. Look at that. Maybe you can see that. It's like a you know, when you'd be like outside a cinema, you typically would see like the masks right there. There you go, like a sculpture or something like that. So that's pretty cool. But aside from that, definitely going to be towing these. This is my size, so definitely going to be throwing these in the collection, something like that. And if anybody's going to need these, hit me up on my Insta, because I will definitely have a ton of these soon. Just like I did with the light carbons, all those other SBs. Hey, let me know. If you need a personal, hit me today. That's everything I need to say. Again, check me out. So I was saying on my IGs down below if y'all need any kicks, anything like that. Y'all can subscribe and like for more content like this here on the channel. Just trying to 300 likes. And what's one more thing I can say? Oh yeah, check us out at Resale Vision. Verdi SB giveaway live right now in there. So if you want a chance to win a free pair of those, get in there. And of course, some of the deals we did last night, day before that, hopefully those are going across the screen right now, because again, that's what we try and provide to our members, or we do provide, is those deals every single day. And I'll be doing more of them tonight, because again, it is every single day we do those deals, and I'm not going to stop. So that's what we're doing. But yeah, I appreciate you guys. Again, let me know your thoughts on this SB. If you'd cop, if you'd drop, or are you going to be copping, or, you know, dropping? You know what I mean? Because it'll be easy one to get a retail. That's what I think. But down the line, it'll be, you know, going for money in those big sizes, of course. But you know, that's like several years. So don't expect that to happen fast. But that's it. I'm T. Thank you guys. I'm going to catch you on the next one. If I missed anything, it's all down below. You can check there and ask your questions in the comments as well. I'll see y'all then. And any information is in the pinned comment. Don't miss out on that. See y'all tomorrow though with a new video, because I'll be doing an on-feet review for these sometime this week. So stay tuned for that. I was gonna do, what was I gonna do? I was gonna do some other video. It might be the on-feet video that I'm posting tomorrow, but there might be something else. So you'll see content, but that's it. I'll catch y'all tomorrow. Peace.